Hi, this is Aaron McNeil from the College of Surgeons, and in this video I'm just going to do a quick presentation on how threads work and how you can use them for voting. So I've just set up a demo room here, and to start a new chat I would just click on a new thread, and here I can just message anything I want. I can post a video meeting, insert a document, but I can essentially just type anything and start a thread conversation going. If I wanted to continue this topic, I can keep posting in this thread. Or if I wanted to start something entirely different and keep it separated, I can add a separate thread in here and have a secondary conversation going, and so on and so forth. So you can use this messaging for voting easily, and I'll just show you that in the full courtroom here. So just quickly on how this full courtroom is going to work is examiners are all going to be added to it. And then to join the video meeting, they can scroll to the top here and there will be a video meeting button that they can click on, and that will take them to the Google Meet chat. To share this room itself, they can either be shared this link here, or they can just go to chat.google.com and log in, and this room will be available to them. So now how you can use threads to do voting in Google Chat. If we just scroll down here, we can see some examples that have already been set up. So essentially how this would work is someone will post something to vote on. So for example, we have candidate 365 to pass. You would type out that message. You have a secondary message, which is all those for, and a third message for all those against. And how you would cast your vote for either one is you would just add an emoticon beside it. So here we can see two people have voted for, one person has voted against. If I wanted to add a vote on, then I would just click on this picture here, and that's add a reaction. So if I click on that, I just have a list of reactions, and you can see the thumbs up one in the bottom left-hand corner here. So I can just tap that, and now I've given a thumbs up. And I can only thumbs up a comment one time. If I wanted to take my vote off, I can click on that and it'll remove it. And you can see when you hover over them, it shows you who's voted for what. And you can do a count of how many people have voted for each one. Here's another example here with the same voting. So what we're going to try to do is set up all the voting beforehand. That will happen within the meeting. So you can just go in and add your emoticon vote to it when it comes up in discussion. If you need to add an ad hoc voting topic, I'll just show you how now. So best way is to just start a new thread and it'll appear on the bottom. And so if you remember, the vote is just made up of 3 messages. The message to vote on, all those for and all those against. So in this example here, you would type the message, send, and then just as replies to it, all those for, and send another one, all those against. And in just a few seconds there, now you've set up a vote. And so again, you have these reactions to add. And so you just add a thumbs up if you're for it. If you're against it, throw up a thumbs up there. And that's essentially how voting works in here.